What happens when an icon of brute strength meets modern refinement? Today, we're looking at what could be the ultimate rebirth of a legend, the 2026 Hummer H2. A machine that doesn't just drive, it dominates the road with presence, attitude, and unmistakable identity. From the very first glance, this redesigned H2 stays true to its DNA. Bold, aggressive, and unapologetically muscular. The front fascia is dominated by that signature Hummer grille, now refined with sharper detailing and a more premium finish. The vertical grille slots are thicker, more sculpted, and paired with modern LED lighting elements that feel both futuristic and rugged. The headlights now feature a square LED signature, giving it a high-tech yet military-inspired look. Below, the bumper is reinforced with a heavy-duty skid plate and tow hooks, emphasizing that this SUV isn't just for show. It's built for real off-road capability. The hood design is raised and vented, adding to that powerful stance, almost like it's flexing its strength even when parked. Moving to the side profile, this is where the H2 truly commands attention. The proportions are boxy, tall, and wide, exactly what you expect from a full-size off-road SUV. The flat surfaces and sharp lines maintain that classic Hummer silhouette, but now with cleaner, more modern surfacing. You'll notice large off-road tires with black alloy wheels and subtle red accents. High ground clearance for serious terrain capability. Side steps integrated with rugged styling elements. Clean, squared-off windows that enhance visibility and presence. The sage green metallic finish seen in your images adds a premium yet adventurous character, perfectly balancing luxury and toughness. At the rear, the H2 continues to deliver that iconic look, but with a modern twist. The standout feature is the full-size spare tire mounted on the tailgate, a signature element that reinforces its off-road identity. The wheel cover now features bold H2 branding, adding a custom, futuristic touch. The taillights are vertically stacked with LED elements, giving a clean and contemporary look while maintaining that rugged utility feel. Down below, the rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets, tow hooks, and recovery points, a wide, planted stance that screams durability. And across the rear, the bold Hummer lettering reminds you exactly what you're looking at, a legend. Step inside, and this is where the biggest evolution happens. The cabin blends rugged utility with modern luxury. A digital instrument cluster with clean, driver-focused layout. A large central touchscreen infotainment system with navigation and media controls. Physical buttons and knobs, keeping it practical and easy to use, even off-road. The steering wheel features H2 branding, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching that matches the exterior accents. The center console is wide and functional, offering multiple drive mode controls, cup holders and storage, a robust gear selector, and in the POV driving shot, you can feel the commanding driving position, high visibility, strong dashboard presence, and a sense of total control over the road ahead. Now, while this 2026 version is a modern reinterpretation, we can take cues from the original H2 DNA. Historically, the H2 came with a 6.0-liter V8 producing around 316 to 325 horsepower, later upgraded to a 6.2-liter V8 pushing up to 393 horsepower. For a 2026 version, it's highly likely to evolve into a modern V8 or hybrid powertrain, estimated 400 to 500 plus horsepower range, advanced 4x4 system with terrain modes, improved towing and off-road performance. This isn't just about speed, It's about torque, capability, and dominance. If this 2026 Hummer H2 were to hit the market, expect pricing in the range of $70,000 to $95,000 US, depending on trim, technology, and off-road packages. That positions it as a premium, full-size SUV, competing with high-end off-roaders and luxury trucks. As of now, this is a conceptual/reimagined design based on your visuals. However, if such a model were to be produced, expected release window, late 2025 to 2026. The 2026 Hummer H2 doesn't try to follow trends. It creates its own lane. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it carries the legacy of one of the most recognizable SUVs ever built, now reimagined for a modern world. So the real question is, would you take this beast off-road or just let it dominate the streets?